If your credit score is stuck, dropping, or just not moving the way you want it to, this video could save you years and thousands of dollars. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how credit really works, the 3 biggest mistakes keeping your score low, and how you can start fixing your credit the right way, even if you've been told it's impossible. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the Most people don't have bad credit because they're irresponsible. They have bad credit because no one ever explained the rules. Credit isn't emotional, it's mathematical. And once you understand the rules, you can control the outcome. Let's start with the 3 biggest mistakes I see every single day. Mistake number 1, maxed out or high utilization credit cards. Here's the truth. Once your utilization goes over 30%, your score starts dropping fast. The sweet spot? 10 to 15% utilization or lower. I've seen people gain 40 to 80 points just by paying balances down. No disputes, no tricks. That's why keeping utilization under 15% is non-negotiable. Mistake number 3, ignoring collections. Collections don't just disappear. You must dispute, validate, or strategically resolve them the right way. Paying a collection blindly can actually hurt you if it's done wrong. Now here's the good news. When you fix utilization, protect payment history, and address collections correctly, scores move. I've seen increases of 50, 70, even 100 plus points in under 90 days. Not magic, not luck, just strategy. This is why I created the 90-day credit repair action plan. It's a step-by-step roadmap that shows you exactly what to do, in order, week by week. No fluff, no guesswork, no scams. This is the same framework I use with real clients. If you're just getting started, I also have a credit repair starter kit, perfect if you want the basics laid out clean and simple, and if you're dealing with stubborn creditors or errors. The Complaint Power Guide shows you how to escalate issues the right way, legally. If you're serious about fixing your credit, not hoping, not guessing, everything I mentioned is available right now. Go to link from termandcreditrepair.square.site. That's termandcreditrepair.square.site. Start where you are. Follow the plan, and let your credit work for you instead of against you. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what your biggest credit struggle is. Your credit isn't broken, it's just untrained.